We were going to paint 2 large dragons overtowering a Chinese village and a ninja running away. So cliché, not very realistic. I know, but Devin, my brother-in-law, he liked the idea. And you still have paint on your buttocks. Could you stop looking at my butt? I am sorry, it's just so big. Are you calling me fat? No. Do you think you are fat? No, but my mom called me fat. I disagree, but to each their own opinion. Continuez, s'il vous plaît.
Okay.
The red dragon is evil, the purple one is good. They both look evil to me. Probably because of the hollow eyes. They both don't have any pupils. I like the building and the waves. Very artistic. Thanks, Vincent.
It's Vincent! Vincent!
Whatever. Unfortunately, we couldn't finish it within a day, so next time we go to Cedar City, I will finish the painting if we have enough time. Quel dommage. I am looking forward to it, though.